Okay, so hello, you join me back at the 156. I've had the ECU repaired, cost me £250, and now we're just going to quickly install this. I won't show you me faffing with it. We're going to hope that it works, and then we're going to go fill it up with petrol because we've got none, and yeah, drive it a bit and make sure it's fully fixed. So I'm going to install this now, which just sits on the back of this engine block, as you know, and I'll start the camera again when we're all running. Okay, right, I've installed it, although exactly the same for me with cars and IKEA furniture is typically it's gone back with less things it came out with, because I dropped that bolt somewhere down there, which I could see happening before it even happened, and yet I did it anyway. So hopefully when I start this thing, it starts, and also hopefully it doesn't ricochet a bolt, well, everywhere. I don't know if there's any sort of procedure, it didn't say anything. Oh, it's started. Okay, right, what I'll do is I'll go get my camera mount, go get some money for the petrol, and we'll go for a drive and see if it's fixed, shall we? Very excited, right. Okay, you join me in a Shell garage, having just filled up with some lovely vid power. And the issue appears to be fixed. However, I'm going to start saying however again, aren't I? I did get an ABS warning light and something else when I started, which I assumed was just because it hadn't been started. I don't know. But now that we've turned the car off, filled it with some petrol, let's see if it does it again. So we're in third gear. Definitely doesn't cut out, which is nice. I don't know how much of that you can hear, but it sounds nice, but I shouldn't go that fast. That's very irresponsible. And I'm also wearing two big clunky boots, and if you know anything about Italian cars and footwells, you can't fit boots in a footwell of an Italian car. Just doesn't happen. Let's give it a second gear pull. And the issues haven't come back on either, so I'm counting that as a win. Woo! So ECU testing.com, whatever it was, I'll link it in the description. They appear to have fixed my issue rather nicely, which is much appreciated of them, although I did pay them 251 quid, I think it worked out to. Saying that, I posted it on, so I submitted the form Monday night, which was a bank holiday. Oh, there's me ABS failure and VDC system failure. Not sure what that's about. I'm assuming that's just electrical, maybe clearing it with a code reader. I'll have to look into that. But back to my story. I submitted the stuff on the Monday night. Tuesday, which was the first day of the working year, the 3rd or something like that of January, they collected it. Thursday, they'd finished it, but if I paid by 3:30, I could have had it sent that same day, but unfortunately I didn't because I was busy. So I paid it when I got home on Thursday. They sent it out Friday morning, and it arrived, no, sorry, they sent it out Thursday morning, and it arrived Friday. Wednesday was when they finished it. That was a terrible way to tell a story, I do apologise. But the car is mostly fixed, apart from those messages, which I'm going to have to sort out and see what that is. It's also on my list to fix my phone next, because I don't know if you noticed, but it's a bit blurry. It's not just because I haven't wiped the camera, I need to change the backing glass on it because some crud's got in there. But next on the list for the car is I'm going to be taking this centre console off and gluing it properly, because at the moment it's not flush, as you'll see on the next video where I'll go through all the steps I'm going to be doing. Then I'm going to be trying to sort out this radio, because I have two of them. There's one in the car that works and there's this one that works, but the front speakers and tweakers still don't work, so clearly there's a deeper issue there. I'm thinking I'm going to have to take the door cards off and have a look at a bit of the wiring, which is going to be nice and fun because, as we all know from this channel, complete and utter mechanical ineptitude, but it doesn't matter. So thank you for watching, as I've attempted to fix this issue a few times now, but this time it has been successful, so I'll count that as a win. I hope you'll have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video. I'm trying to give you another one. Goodbye. Hello, I know I just said the video ended, but I just had to push it home. Clearly, there's some more issues here.